I feel like this is just becoming a PR unboxing channel, and every video is just going to one-up the video before. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Karen, aka Cake Baby BK, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, we have a lot of packages. I counted 59. Cheeto Weedo. Wanna say hi to the fans? Let's not step on mommy's computer. Wanna say hi to everyone? Say hi to the camera. You can sit right here next to me while I unbox. First up, we have some Pacifica Hair Goodies. This is a Scalp Love Serum with rosemary and mint. We have the Hydrating Scalp Smoothie and their Glow Baby Serum. Ma'am. Next up are some Tom Ford lippies. Also, some people get really triggered when I say the word lippies. Cry about it. Look at how gorgeous this is. Bumble and Bumble sent over their BB Seaweed Air Dry Cream. I love me a good air dry cream. Cali Ray sent over their Endless Sunset Eyeshadow Palette, a setting spray, and a brush, I believe this is. Tis a brush. I love how it's mini. Look at how cute this palette is. It looks like wood. She's pretty. Next is a replica perfume from Maison Margiela. This one is When the Rain Stops, and when I tell you it smells so good, literally smells like rain. It's so calming. CosRX sent over some snail mucin products. Can you believe I've never tried the viral snail mucin essence and cream? They also sent over a low pH niacinamide micellar cleansing water. This next one is from Bobbi Brown. They sent over 3 longwear eyeshadow sticks. Ooh, and the vitamin enriched face base. I have heard so many people rave about this, especially Jenny on TikTok. I feel like she raves about it. Am I wrong? Yeet. Y'all really thought I wasn't gonna, again. Ow. Jesus Christ, and beans and rice. Got a little bit too excited there, but this next one is from Murad. They sent over their new Rapid Relief Acne Sulfur Mask, and it says, 1 for you, 1 for crew. I've been dealing with a few hormonal breakouts lately, so this is gonna come in clutch. Next one is from Kilian Paris. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. It says Happy National Lipstick Day, and Sir John is actually the makeup creative director of this brand. So we have some Cutie liquid lipsticks and bullet lipsticks. Look at how pretty this packaging is. These are scented too. Next one is from Herborian. I love Herborian. I feel like they're super underrated. They have some fire products. They sent over the Centella Cleansing Balm, which I have finished one of these before. It's very, very thick. It gets the job done, but it's not my favorite. They also sent over the CC Water and the pink primer that they have, along with a pink blur stick. Ooh, I'm very intrigued. And then their Yuza Super Serum. Next up is Kosas, and I already know what this is. They just launched their Brow Pop Nano. I love the original Brow Pop, but Skinny Legend version is here. I actually went to their event to celebrate this launch, so I've already tried the Nano. She is the skintiest eyebrow pencil I've ever used. They sent over 2 of the original Brow Pops, 3 of their volumizing gels, and then 2 of the Brow Pop Nanos. Next one is from Benefit. I already know from the box. All right, we have some cheek tints. These are their TikTok viral ones. We have Flora Tint, Cha Cha Tint, and Benetint. Baba boy. All right, this next one is from Colleen Rothschild. We have a lot of restocks: Vitamin C Nourishing Cream, Illuminating Eye Cream, Sheer Renewal Cream, and her Black Tourmaline Face Primer. Kobe. This next one is from IGK. It says, hi Karen, we just wanted to wish you a very happy spring birthday. Oh my gosh, is this a crew neck? Love a good crew. We have a cute little tote bag. We have hair clips and some hair goodies, of course. So they sent over the Hydrating Hair Balm and the 3-minute hydration hair mask. Okay, this next one, I don't know who it's from. Oh my goodness, this is all from Lily Lashes. We have some with the invisible band, which I love. We have some tools and a on-the-go mirrored lash keychain. This next one is from Undefined Beauty. We have the R&R Hydro Jelly, the Scalp Serum, and the Sun Cream, which is SPF 50. This next one is from Miss Danessa. I think I already know what this is. Yup, it is her Yummy Skin Skin Tint. You guys have already tried this, and I actually did a partnership with them, and it is so, so good. They sent over a bunch of different shades. This is 5, 6, and I'm guessing 7 and 8. Y'all know the Yummy Skin line is my absolute shit. I love the blurring balm. I love the blushes. I love the skin tint. I have not tried this Glow Serum, though, which is a primer. All right, we are at the end of one stack. This is from Olive & June, which is a nail company. We have a bunch of polishes, a hand serum, and we have a bunch of tools in here along with this nail polish remover pot. Can I dip my toes in here? All right, this is from Kokie Cosmetics. This is their Double Time Full Coverage Concealer. Y'all know I love testing foundations and concealers. They sent over 5 shades, so best believe some of these are going into a giveaway. This is from Shaz and Keeks, which is a hair care brand. They sent over 3 different things. So we have a pre-wash, a balancing clay hair cleanser, and then a conditioner. They're also women and API'd, founded, and led. Ooh, this is their rice and chai refresh spray. God knows my hair needs a refresh. Ooh, this is the restock from Salt and Stone. I recently went through a body wash from them and they were kind enough to send a restock. So this one is the Bergamot and Hinoki body wash, and this one is the Santal and Vetiver body wash. This is from Amika. I love Amika so freaking much. Ooh, this is their new Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask. God knows I need all the moisture I can get. Y'all, I can't. They're just like rummaging through the boxes right now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Stop that, please. He just wants to sit in one. Yeah, you can sit in there if you want, I guess. You comfy? Okay. I'm still gonna throw boxes your way though. All right, this next one, confession, I've already opened it because I'm wearing something from them, but this is from Clementine Sleepwear. You guys, these pajamas are so comfortable. They're made out of mulberry silk, and look at the boxes that they come in, so freaking cute. There are more things that I have not opened from this package yet. We have an eye mask. What is this? I feel like this might be a pillowcase. It is a pillowcase. Oh my gosh, this is a bonnet. My hair gets absolutely destroyed when I sleep. This is definitely gonna come in handy. And a scrunchie. I love big scrunchies. Megan Progress. This one is from First Aid Beauty. How cute. There's a little get ready with me bag. They also sent over their new Brighten and Glow eye cream along with their facial radiance pads, and now they're compostable. Starting the next stack, this one is from Bobbi Brown. I believe this is her new skin tint. Yes, oh my gosh. So there are 2 shades of the skin tint in here, another vitamin enriched base. We have a vitamin enriched eye base. And then this is also new. This is their vitamin enriched pressed powder. Wow, that is yellow. Love a yellow powder. All right, this next one is from Say. Ooh. We love a cutie little hat. We have 2 shades of Sun Melt, which I already have one of these, so these will be going into a giveaway. We have the mascara. Someone was just asking me about this mascara, so I will definitely be reviewing. This is their The Big Brush. Oh yeah, she's definitely hefty. And then we have a super glowy gel. You guys know I love this. This is a mini in the shade Sun Glow. Also, I love how they do this. These are cotton balls. They pad their packages with this instead of like packing peanuts or like extra paper. I love this idea. Okay, I fear that Summer Fridays has sent me 2 of the same package, so one of these will be going into a giveaway, but I definitely know what this is. This is their new Rich Cushion Cream. Oh, I love the Cloud Dew Cream. Is that what it's called? It's the one in pink packaging, so I'm sure I will love this. This next one is from Net. So we have a Discovery perfume set, and then we have one of the candles. It already smells so good in this packaging. I haven't even opened it yet. This one is the Spring 1998 candle. It smells very, very floral. Next one is from Acton Acre. It says, hello hair growth. All right, so we have their Scalp Renew, the Scalp Detox, the hair mask, the Stem Cell Scalp Serum. Ooh, and then we have a Scalp Gua Sha. All right, we're at the end of this stack. This package is from Dolce Vita. I already know what this is because they asked me which styles I would like. Love a platform Sandy. This next one is from Tower 28. Also, if you hear any shuffling in the boxes, that's Milo. Is this a paint can? How stinking cute. This is the launch of their Swipe Concealer. Fun fact, I have been testing this concealer out for like over a month. I've been using it almost every single day. It is so, so good, and I wasn't able to tell anyone about it until now. But how stinking cute is this idea for a concealer launch? These are like the paint swatches that you get from like Home Depot. Milo, you're walking on everything. They gave this little thing to open the paint can with. Am I doing this correctly? I don't think I'm doing this correctly. Am I just stupid? Okay, I've tried to open this for like the past 10 minutes and I can't. I don't know if it's because like the can is too flimsy and it's like bending while I try and do this. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know. Another Benefit package. I definitely know what this one is. It's their newest launch, their FanFest mascara. You guys know I love Benefit mascara, so I'm super hyped to try this one. This next one is from Caudalie. Y'all know Caudalie is one of my favorite skincare brands. Please be another Vino Perfect serum because I'm almost done with my 3rd bottle. This is their Vino Pure Targeted Salicylic Solution. Also the Skin Perfecting Serum. And they also sent over a wireless mic for your phone. Definitely will be using all of these. All right, this one is from... I don't know who it's from. I think I know who it's from. I think I know who it's from. These are the newest setting powders from Lunar Beauty, aka Manny MUA's brand. Looks like he sent over all 4 shades. So some of these are definitely going into a giveaway. Ooh, a pink one. Okay, this one is from Drunk Elephant. Love the colorful packaging. Okay, so we have the Proteini Polypeptide Cream, which I have tried. We also have the Be Goldy Bright Drops. What is in here? Oh my goodness, it is a speaker, a gold speaker. And then we have the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. All right, what is another package from Saie? Another duplicate. So this will definitely be going in the giveaway pile. All right. This one is from L'Oreal. We have a Valentino liner, everybody. This next one is from EXA. We have a bunch of lip liners from EXA. And we also have a freehand tattoo marker. I've never heard of this before. Oh, it's from Inkbox. Actually, yes, I have heard of this before. This is so cool. It lasts 1 to 2 weeks. I'm about to be doodling all up my body. The table stack is done. This next one is from Tula Skincare. This is... This is their Gold Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is from Kiehl's. This seems to be a little back to school kit. All right, so we have the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, the Ultra Facial Cream, the Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado, and the High Potency Serum with 5% niacinamide. This one is from Sephora University. All right, so we have the matte powder foundations. I'm super excited to try this one because I love the liquid foundation that they have. And also the Sephora 60 brush. Ooh, this one's a heavy one. Ooh, this is from GHD. This is their Duet Style. It's a 2-in-1 hot air styler. It transforms your hair from wet to styled in minutes, apparently. What is it? Another duplicate package? She's going in a giveaway. This is from Net. Again, she's going into a giveaway. This next one is from Peach Slices, another one of my favorite skincare brands. They are part of the Peach and Lily family. This is their oil control collection. I've been waiting to try this one out. Okay, so we have the Balancing Cleanser. We have the Oil Control Balancing Mist. Ooh, super excited for that one. We have the Pore Serum, and then we have a mattifying moisturizer. All right, this one is from Kate Somerville. Ooh, we have the Recharging Water Cream along with the Recharging Serum. This next one is from Rossano Ferretti. Okay, so we have the Rejuvenating Shampoo, the Rejuvenating Serum, and then a hair mask. Ooh. All right, I don't know who this next one is from. Oh, I do. It's from Shani Darden. She sent a huge restock. This package is so heavy. I think she sent her entire line. Yep. Love the Retinol Reform. Love the Sake Toning Essence. This next one is from Pop Beauty. All right, this is the Light Show palette, the Prismatic Pop palette, and the Plump Pout in Fuchsia Freesia, giving Barbie vibes. Oh, end of that stack. Don't know who, oh, actually, it's from Sigma. Just read before you say anything, Karen. Okay, this is the Patisserie collection. These are bite-sized eyeshadow quads. Look at how stunning these are. I love Sigma shadows. Sigma makeup in general is just so underrated. These are launching August 15th. The start of the last stack. Okay, this one is from COSRX. This is the 6-peptide skin booster. This next one is from Milani. I hear something sloshing in here, and I think I know what this is. You guys know that I love the Milani Make It Last setting sprays. They sent over a restock of the original, matte, the dewy, and the sunscreen one, which I haven't tried yet. And now they're America's #1 setting spray. Okay, this next one is from Dr. Dennis Gross. Ooh, I think I know what this is. I've been seeing everyone and their freaking mother use this. Oh no, this is different. This is their collagen boosting LED light for your lips. That's what you're supposed to do with it. All right, this next one is also from Replica. I can smell this already. It smells so good. This is their Beach Walk Duo. So we have a perfume and a candle. It smells just like summer. The notes on this are bergamot, love bergamot, lemon, love lemon, and ylang ylang from the ylang ylang tree. Please, someone tell me that they know where that's from. Are effortlessly fused with the addictive scents of coconut milk, musk, and heliotrope. So good. I usually don't really like coconutty fragrances, but this one is just so well balanced with all the citrus notes in there. This next one is from Naked Sundays, and Naked Sundays is an SPF brand. Ooh, they have SPF 50 lip oils. Now, what is this? Oh, a cookie! Okay, this next one, this is what I was expecting with the other Dr. Dennis Gross package, but this is the Replace Your Lip Filler Lip Treatment. Apparently, you put it on your lips and it kind of makes it look very plump, very juicy. Definitely will be trying this. This next one is from Kulfi Beauty, and I've heard so many amazing things about this brand. I'm so happy I can finally try them out. We have some satin lipsticks. They're kind of out of their original homes here, but that's okay. We have 7 different shades. Kulfi is also another AAPI founded brand, so I've been wanting to try them out for so long. And then this one is from Matter of Fact. All right, so we have a bunch of skincare goodies here. We have a firming serum, a wrinkle and texture concentrate, resurfacing and hydrating serum, a moisturizer, and then an antioxidant treatment. Bloop. Okay, also, I don't know whether or not I want to unbox this in this video because I think I want to do like a dedicated real TikTok to this one, but this is from freaking La Mer. I have not even opened this yet. Probably gonna get a really cute aesthetic video of me opening this tomorrow. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok so you don't miss it. That is it for this PR unboxing. This has been the longest one I've ever filmed. I am just so grateful to all these brands and to anyone who is watching, who supports my content on any of my platforms. I quite literally cannot do this without you. I've said that time and time again, but it is so true. I would be nothing without y'all. I wouldn't get any of this without you guys. I have to organize everything and break down my boxes now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you want an in-depth review on any of these products. I will be happy to do one. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good, and I'll see you guys in the next one.